you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Bobby. Here on this channel, I make product review videos. I also share my weight loss journey, just being an inspiration to others who are on a weight loss journey or just on a journey to getting healthier. And for today's video, I will be sharing with you guys 5 easy ways that I make money online as a stay-at-home mom and wife. So if this is something that you're interested in, if you know someone who may be interested in this video, be sure to stay tuned to find out what I'm doing. So you guys, okay, just to go straight into it, I have been a stay-at-home mom, wife since I've been married. And me and my husband has been married now for 9 years, and we have 2 kids. Now, I became a stay-at-home mom back in May of 2013 when we actually did get married. I just knew that that was something that I felt like I was supposed to do. I just can't quite explain it, but I know that it's a calling for me. I know it's something that I really feel that God has wanted me to do. I have been working all my life, you know. I have been working, doing what I need to do for my oldest son. But when we had my daughter, that was the time that, you know, I was to stay home and do what I needed to do and raise my family. So I left my last job that before I became a stay-at-home mom I was a phlebotomist. I worked in a doctor's office setting. So I really love doing phlebotomy. I really loved it, you know, and it wasn't nothing about the job. It was just, like I said, I knew that it was time for me to do what I needed to do to help raise my kids at home. But after that, I actually, when my daughter was born, she was born in 2013. And like I said, I started a YouTube channel, and that comes to my #1 source of income that I do from home. And you guys, I'm going to name these. I'm not just naming them from most to least. I'm just going to be sporadically just naming the 5 ways that I make money online. But YouTube would be #1. I started doing YouTube in 2014. As you see here, I'll put a clip of my first video. I was nervous, you know. I feel like I just wanted to help someone who is maybe a mom and just starting out, a new mom or whatever, and just starting out as, you know, on their weight loss journey. And I just wanted to be an inspiration. I wanted to also show my journey of me losing weight or just getting back in shape or whatever, or just, you know, just being an inspiration to other ones or other moms. So I made the channel, like I said, back in 2014. I've had jobs here and there. I'm not gonna lie. I have left home and did some jobs, but you guys, like, the way that I felt internally knowing that I have to go, I know money is, you know, needs to be made. The husband works, but it's like I always wanted to contribute. I still want to do something to help contribute to bring income into the home. So I went out to work, and it was just like I just felt like I could not be away from my kids. Like, I know some women or parents, you know, whatever, say, oh, I gotta go work, how else they're gonna eat? But they're gonna eat. It's just that I felt like I needed to do something at home in order to make that happen. And me being away, I'm being away from them. As small as they are, I'm not able to do what I need to do with them or see things, you know. So that's when I really just stopped working, going out, and I just focused on YouTube. I started making videos. It took me a while. I say from 2014 to I don't know, probably about 2-3 years later. I just got monetized back in 2020, if I'm not mistaken. In 2020, I put it up on here when I got monetized. But in order to be monetized for YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, and you also have to have 4,000 watch hours. Now, I got my subscribers before I got my watch hours, and it was like, oh, I need these watch hours. It seemed so impossible to get 4,000, but it happened, and I got monetized. So from there, I've been making content here on YouTube And how I get paid is through Google AdSense. When you see an ad go on the video, that is how I get paid. Now, I didn't quite want it to go in detail of YouTube because I can make another video for that on how you can get paid from YouTube. I can do a detailed video on that. So if you would like that, please comment down below and let me know. But like I said, I do make money from Google AdSense from YouTube. Number 2, I am a brand ambassador. Now, I've told you before on a couple of videos that I was a brand ambassador for BlendJet. As you see from my channel, I have so many videos about BlendJet. What BlendJet would do, what I actually did was sign up. Well, I think BlendJet may have reached out to me at first because, like I said, I've been with BlendJet for a couple of years, and they reached out to me. I don't quite remember. But how you can become a brand ambassador is you can see a product or you can see something that you really like, and you can go on their website and see if they have affiliate programs or brand ambassador programs. You sign up for it, you let them know what following you have, or where would you put the content, or show an audience, where would you show them their product or whatever. Okay, once you do that, and then you just wait to be approved. Once you're approved, they'll send you a link. What you would do is, like, say for YouTube, as I used to talk about BlendJet, what I would do was give you guys a link, and I'll say you get this % off, you use this link. Once you use that link, I get a commission for every sale that is made. So that's how brand ambassadors work. You mainly, and it's like affiliate marketing, which I've done some of that as well. But as a brand ambassador, I talk about a product, I bring it to my audience. Once they buy it, I get a small commission from it. So that's all what a brand ambassador does, and that is how I was making money from being a brand ambassador. Number 3, the third way that I make money online as a stay-at-home mom is I do Etsy. Now, I don't know, I'm pretty sure I said it here on my channel, but as you see, I'm always rocking some kind of earrings because I absolutely love earrings, because it's just, I feel that it expresses your hair, or expresses, it's certain ones that you wear that goes with your outfit or how you're feeling that day. So I made an Etsy account where I sell earrings. Now, it's very easy to make an Etsy account as well. I've been doing Etsy now, it's been a year to be exact. This month, July, made a year since I've been selling with Etsy, and it has been doing pretty good. I know that I do want to expand that. I want to add more things to my shop, so that will come. But for now, I have been making money doing Etsy. And you guys, it's not something, all these things that I'm saying is not, something to get rich quick. It's just some ways of making extra money to come into your household to help you as being a stay-at-home mom. If you just don't want to just sit home and do anything, I know you have the kids to take care of, but why not stay home, take care of the kids, and make some extra money as well? Etsy is something that you can put homemade gifts, homemade crafts, anything on Etsy that you can make, you can sell, and you can resell. Like I said, I do not make the earrings, so I actually get from a vendor. I get from people that make some, and I resell it. So that's how I make my profit from it. I package it and send it out. So the only thing I basically have to pay for is my packaging and maybe, some of the fees for Etsy. But Etsy has its own marketplace. You don't have to, if you want to, on your social medias, anything, any kind of way that you want to promote it. But I don't hardly promote anything. Etsy has its own marketplace, and people are on there searching for what you have. So that is a great way to make money from home, is Etsy. Number 4 is I do have a work from home job. Now, I just started this job about, it's been a month now. I've started this job, but I've actually had other jobs as well as a stay-at-home mom. I work for those, and it's always been part-time. I don't do anything full-time because I don't want to take away a lot of time from my kids into work at home. I get something part-time because I know I have duties at home. I need to do what I need to do to keep my home upright and everything, and my kids, and make sure my husband is satisfied. So I do have a work from home job. This job is part-time. You can find you a part-time job. You can find you a full-time job. There's so many work from home jobs, you guys, that you can apply that will work with you and work with your schedule. The thing is, there are two kinds. There are jobs that, you know, are W-2, which you get paid hourly, and you will receive, you know, that takes tax out, and you receive a W-2 at the end of the year. Or there are jobs that you can do as a 1099 contractor. There will be no taxes taken out, but you will pay your own taxes. You are required to pay your own taxes at the end of the year. So, and then with 1099, it's like you're your own boss. You're able to make your own hours. You're able to work whenever you would like. But the job that I do have is W-2, and I actually make my own hours, to be honest. I work in blocks, so it's like 11. I can start work from 11 to 1 o'clock. I pick my time, so it's basically, it works out for me. I could work as many hours as I want that day, but like I said, it's part-time, so throughout the week I can't work over maybe 20 hours, 25 hours. So that is something to look into, as well as being a stay-at-home mom. You can also work from home and find something that will work with your schedule. So I've been doing that and I'm loving it. Okay guys, and the fifth way that I have been making money from home online is Makari. Oh my goodness, you guys, like, Makari has been something I have been seeing on ads on YouTube. I was like, Makari, what's Makari? I signed up for it. What Makari is like a online thrift store. What you do, you can just start from home. You guys, if you don't know, you have so much money in your home right now that you can make. Things that you do not use anymore, things that you're like, clothes your kids have outgrown, you don't just want to throw them away. You might want to resell them for a, you know, just a small amount, just to get them out of the house. You guys, Makari is the place to be. If you have old games that your child doesn't play anymore, or a computer that you just upgrade and you like to sell the old one, Makari is the place to go. Okay, I have sold so many video games that my son do not play anymore, and I have made some pretty good money on Makari. You sell clothes that you don't use anymore, like, you know, for yourself, or shoes, or anything that you have in your home you can sell that you do not use anymore. So there is no excuse. I'll be honest, there is no excuse to say I cannot make money from home. You can get on Makari or Poshmark. That's an added one. I did make money from Poshmark as well. I don't do much on Poshmark lately, but I have made money on Poshmark as well. I have sold some heels. I've sold a bag. Like, I've sold things on Poshmark as well as also an online thrift store. So those two, you guys, was something that I did use to make money from home. So it's very simple to do, and I highly recommend, even if you're not a stay-at-home mom, if you work 9 to 5, Makari is still something that you can do from home on your spare time. And people also go and buy products or buy things and resell them. People go to Goodwill, or they'll go to any thrift store, and they look up things that may be of good value, and what they can, you know, buy it for a cheaper price, and what they can do is clean it up or whatever they need to do and resell it for a profitable amount. So Makari is really good to have if you just want to make some side money. Okay, so you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that some of the things that I said can help you to you know, just grow your income if you are a stay-at-home mom, or becoming, or thinking about becoming a stay-at-home mom. These are just some of the things out of so many more, you guys, ways that you can make money from home. I can do another video if you would like. If you would just comment down below and let me know. I can make a video of other ways that you can make money from home being a stay-at-home mom. Some ideas that I've seen that I've been thinking of doing. I can definitely do that video. Just let me know down below. I won't know unless you tell me, so I can do that for you guys, and you know I will. But that's going to be it for this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe. If you know a mom, or if you are a mom that would like to stay at home and, you know, just take care of your babies and make some extra money, be sure to, like I said, subscribe, share this video, and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I thank you so much for your support, all the new subscribers. I'm hitting 2,700 subscribers. Like, you guys, I'm just so overjoyed. I thank you so much for following me on this channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. bye.